Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix the Marvel Rivals game. DirectX 12 is not supported on your system, and unfortunately guys there is no one fix to fix this problem. I will show you the multiple method to fix this problem. You just need to apply them one by one and see which fixes your problem. So first go to the Windows setup with the dx and open up this run command. Here you will see the DirectX version. You just need to make sure it is the DirectX 12. If you will see here the DirectX 11 or the 10, then you just need to update your operating system. Go to the Windows side, type here the update and open it. Now click on the check for update, and if there is any available update for your Windows, just update your operating system. So after you update it, now the Windows can automatically install the DirectX 12 on your PC. Then you just need to restart your PC and see your problem is fixed or not. If not guys, then go to the Windows side, type it the device manager, open it. The problem is with your graphic card because your graphic card is unupdated. You will see the display adapter, simply open it and update your graphic card. If you have the NVIDIA graphic card, then just simply open up the NVIDIA software and update your NVIDIA graphic card. If you have the AMD software, then just simply open up the AMD software and update your AMD graphic card. And after the update, just restart your PC. If your problem is still not fixed, then open up the Steam, click on the game, which is the Marvel Rivals, and click on the gear icon, go to your game properties, and here in the launch option, just type the minus DX11. Once you type it, just play the game and see your problem is fixed or not. If not guys, then you can go to the properties again and just remove this command. After that guys, just close it, and the next solution you need to apply is you can just search for the DirectX 12 download on your any browser, and you will see the Microsoft website. On the first, just click on the Microsoft website, and once it was open, now it will start downloading automatically the DirectX 12 on your PC. Once it was downloaded, just simply install it into your PC and your problem is fixed definitely. After it was installed, you just need to restart your PC, and after the restart, your problem is fixed. And I hope guys one of these solutions work for you, and if yes, please don't forget to like this video because this is only motivation for me, and I will see you guys in the next video.